What's going on, Motley Garagers? Today's vlog is RC. One crypto vlog though. Doge is up 16.4%. That's pretty cool. Other than that, I haven't really been looking at crypto. I went to the hobby shop yesterday. Took my buddy Nehemiah. Went up there to go to Excel for his first time. So pop that cherry. He's like RC cars. You know what I'm saying? Stress reliever. As you guys know, I've been getting back into micros. Xavier's Defender. We started unboxing his rims, but we found out that the Trx4m tires, the bead lock is really, really thick on the rim, so it don't really fit. I can't get the bead lock in the back to fit. So what I found out was Endura, they make an insert for their rims. I don't know if it fits on all their rims, but you can Amazon it, and then you can use the stock Trx4m tires. Because I like the Trx4 tread that they did. It's just like the Tim scale. It reminds me so much of my Tim scale Defender. Missed that truck. But it's Friday. It's been a week. So every week, like I said, we're going to be getting parts. And I found this cool part. Actually, I saw a video. And then I was like, I got to find it. And I didn't want to order off AliExpress. So let me pause the video so I can cut this open. Because I can't really do it with one hand. Alright, I was making sure I was hitting the right button on my phone so I didn't cancel the video. But we got it don't even tell you what it is. And my hands are super ashy. I had to get that out of the camera. It don't even tell you if it's for Trx4. It said it was 1/18 scale. It said it was for the Bronco. It's supposed to be a bumper and a winch. Now this is supposed to be like an electronic winch for the micros. Now I know it's not for like our Orlando Hunters. We use lighter leashes, but we can still use lighter leashes in them. Xavier's got a lighter leash in his RC 4-wheel drive version 1. I got one in my version 1 RC 4-wheel drive Defender. So let me try and, because my phone is in this weird case and trying to videotape. Sorry, you guys. Sorry. This is like horrible video footage right here. I'll probably just slice through the wires. That is a rusty knife. We're trying to get our unboxing one-handed down pat. Oh, it does come with a little key fob, huh? Unlock and lock. Well, that would be like reverse and I don't know. We'll see. It's will be like a little worn winch. Is that the winch? Oh my gosh. I've never had a powered winch before. Even on my Tim scales, I always wanted to get one for the Defender. I always wanted to get one for Christine's truck. Wow. That's cool. I might not use this bumper because I want to get the Endura metal bumper, or I might design and 3D print my own bumper. I'll see how I'm feeling, but that's cool. That's a cool bumper, and I guess the winch goes. Oh man, I hope the winch don't stick. See, the video I saw, dude had it for the Defender, but it didn't sit where the winch actually sits because you got to cut that off the grill, and then you got 3D print a new grill. But there's some that they'll give you a new grill. But it sticks the winch like in front of the bumper, like way out, and it looks like an old like tractor. You know what I'm saying? Like the old tractors that would have like the winches, or like the old trucks where people just throw a winch on the front. So tonight I will be getting all this stuff unboxed. I really want to open up this stuff on winch though. That's cool. I mean, I don't know about, I might be re-roping that string, but let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. Alright, you guys, let's check these parts out for the Bronco. So, we got some teeny tiny screws, and we got a nice little teeny tiny decal. I guess we could throw that like on the grill or something like that. But the main focus is this little winch here. This thing is tiny. It's even got the little cutouts for the little motor and wow. Now I remember my buddy Lock Rock RC. Lock Rock, man. Oh my gosh. your name of your channel popped up in my head. I hope you still watch my videos, but I want to say how you been, man? How you doing? I don't know if you created this winch, because I remember back in the day we were all talking about, getting like a little winch going, and this, I don't know who made this, but this is badass. And the bumper looked like it's like a Shopway print. It is modeled in like Fusion 360, Tinkercad or something. It look like these little bolts up here. You can put lights up there. So I guess the winch is gonna fit like down in there. I would like it to be, where you get to see the winch, but there is a fair lead on the bumper, so we could set the winch in here in this hole, I guess. Okay, it kind of fits down. Yeah, it fits in there. Oh man, I'm about to design a bumper. Oh, because I don't like the angle of that attack of that tube bar versus like the stock. You know what I'm saying? And I don't think that's modeled after the Ford. Because there's two bumpers you can get in real life for the bumper. There's like, or for the F-150. There's one that does that, and I know it's like all tubular or whatever. It looks all cool. But this one is more like an aftermarket bumper. It's got 3 front headlights. Let's see if we can get some light action going. We can get the light on. Yeah, now you can see the lines where it's printed. So it was an injection molding, and it looked like it comes with metal D-rings. That is a nice upgrade. And there's screw holes down at the bottom so you can put skid plates. Phenomenal. Very, very fantastic. That is a beautiful scale bumper and a winch for a microcrawler. I'm stoked. I can't wait. So, oh, I did another thing, you guys. I sold some Floki. Floki was down, but I bought, because, when everybody come over, my friends come over, I never have enough trucks. I got trucks everywhere. But I never have like just enough like of the same scale trucks. So Adrian's got his own high lift. I got my Bronco. Xavier's got the mini D10. And I bought this, the new Tan Boy. So this one is going to be, I want to scale this one out to be like a Dakar crawler. Me and my buddy Nehemiah, I took this one out at work. There's some little rocks in front of my job. I'll see if I can get a video. I don't know if I can get a video, but it's a cool little rock, little pile. Like a little rock garden and everything. And we took the Bronco out and took the Defender out, the Tan Boy, and yeah. So what I want to do is, because that's 10th scale to the 10th scale Defender, and I know Xavier's probably going to lead that stock, I want to design my own roof rack. Same with the bars and everything, kind of like how we had for the Orlando Hunter, and where it say Defender and had the 2 little LEDs on the top. I really love that look on the Defender. So we're probably going to do that to this Defender. Adrian, I don't know what he's going to do to his high lift. We will have some secret videos on that. And then last touch note, we did to the Mini T. I actually got the decals on the grill. I didn't trim the body all the way. I got to finish doing the wheel wells. I actually, when I was cutting it, because I was using my rusty knife, got home at 3 in the morning, and I'm like, I'm going to trim my body. The wing still has to be trimmed and mounted. I do have some more upgrade parts for that. Adjustable aluminum shocks. Metal turnbuckle I still haven't put in yet. We got the metal steering rack in and bearings. I'm going to do a bearing kit on that one. So, like, share, subscribe, you guys. Peace and love. God bless. I got to get ready to go in and work, make some dry shafts. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Next video, I got Sunday off, I believe. I'm going to try and see if we can get a nice crawling video out. Maybe get some people over. I get a nice crawling video because we got 4 of them. Get the boys out there and get back out there and crawl. I got to lay some more concrete, change up some rocks and everything like that. But other than that, we should be pretty good. But my health-wise, I've been okay, you guys, and I've been hanging in there. Had another seizure, but the crawlers, they're getting me steady. So I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless. Flow like water. RC it up, you guys. And there's more micro people out there. I'm very happy about that. Later.